Welcome to our channel. Today we how to back up your wallet balances using Nansen Portfolio Exports easy tutorial step by step clearly. To back up your wallet balances using Nansen Portfolio Exports, start by visiting the Nansen website. Log into your Nansen account using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the Portfolio section found in the main dashboard. Locate the wallet you wish to back up from your portfolio list. Select the wallet to open its detailed view. In the detailed view, look for the export option, usually located at the top right corner. Click on the export button to initiate the export process. You will be prompted to choose the export format, typically CSV or Excel. Select your preferred format for the backup. After selecting the format, click on the download button. Wait for the download to complete, as this may take a few moments. Once the file is downloaded, locate it in your device's download folder. Open the file to ensure all wallet balances and transactions are correctly listed. If everything appears accurate, save the file to a secure location. For added security, consider encrypting the backup file. It's also wise to create multiple copies and store them in different locations. This ensures the safety of your wallet information and balances. By following these steps, your wallet balances will be successfully backed up using Nansen Portfolio Exports. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then, if your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation step. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.